Welcome to ShieldTech's Incident Essentials training program. My name is Roy Borgen, and I'm the founder and CEO of ShieldTech. I'm honored to be your lead instructor throughout this course, and I would like to take a moment to share a little bit about my background and knowledge, so you can feel confident in the knowledge and experience I bring to this training. I hold 2 bachelor's degrees, one in information technology with a specialty in network administration, and the other one in police studies from the Norwegian Police University College. Early in my career, I worked as a system administrator, gaining valuable technical experience before joining the Norwegian Police. As a detective, I worked on various cases, gaining experience in investigations, mobile forensics, and securing digital evidence from mobile devices. After my time with the police, I transitioned to the private sector, working as an information security analyst for a multinational Nasdaq-listed company. My talents were quickly recognized, and I soon became security operations lead. I was instrumental in building the global security operations and security engineering team, consisting of employees across multiple countries. These teams were vital in detecting and responding to cybersecurity incidents, safeguarding the company and ensuring compliance with various regulatory bodies. My diverse experience in system administration, detective work, and information security operations has been invaluable in developing the Incident Essentials training. My unique background allows me to effectively teach and guide technical personnel, such as DevOps, system administrators, and information security personnel in effectively handling cybersecurity incidents with confidence and efficiency. I'm excited to share my knowledge and experience with all of you as we embark on this journey together. Now let's dive deeper into the course content and begin our cybersecurity journey. ShieldTech's Incident Essentials training course is a comprehensive cybersecurity training designed to provide you with the necessary knowledge and skills to build and organize and manage an effective incident response capability within your organization. Our curriculum combines theoretical and practical lessons based on experience from law enforcement, system administration, and security operations, enabling you to handle cybersecurity incidents with confidence and efficiency. Drawing from our instructor's background in system administration, detective work with the Norwegian Police, and security operations lead for a Nasdaq-listed multinational company, we have developed a training program that encompasses the basics a company should have in place to successfully manage cybersecurity incidents. Our tailored curriculum covers organizational capacity, policy and procedures, and essential knowledge required to address incidents. The Incident Essentials training course is specially designed for technical personnel who play a crucial role in a company's incident response efforts. It is particularly directed towards first responders, such as DevOps, system administrators, and information security personnel, ensuring that they have the skills and knowledge needed to effectively handle incidents. Throughout the course, each lesson will build upon the previous one, creating a comprehensive understanding of various aspects of incident investigation and response. We place particular emphasis on evidence handling, chain of custody, and ensuring that the investigation and their findings can withstand scrutiny in a court of law. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting out in the field, our Incident Essentials training course will enhance your ability to conduct thorough, effective, and efficient investigations, while also deepening your understanding on how to build and organize a robust incident response capability. Let's have a closer look at the content of each lesson. Understanding the nature and characteristics of cybersecurity incidents is crucial for effectively investigating and addressing them. In this lesson, you'll be introduced to the 3 pillars of information security: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Additionally, you'll learn about security policies, procedures, and acceptable use policies, and the role they play within an organization. With the information you acquire, you will gain a clear understanding of what constitutes a cybersecurity incident, the objective of an investigation, and the potential impact it may have. Incident response is a crucial aspect of an organization's security strategy. A well-crafted incident response plan can help organizations respond to and recover from cybersecurity incidents quickly and effectively, minimizing the potential damage and downtime. In this lesson, we'll explore the key components of a successful incident response plan, including incident response policy and procedures, incident prioritization, incident reporting, and selecting the right incident response team model. We also cover the importance of incident information sharing policies and procedures, selecting the right people for the incident response team, and integrating other groups into the incident response process. By the end of this lesson, you will have a solid understanding of how to develop an incident response program that can help your organization mitigate the likelihood and impact of security incidents. In this lesson, we'll be discussing the incident response lifecycle. Incident response is a critical component of any organization's security strategy, and the incident response lifecycle provides a structured approach for managing and responding to security incidents and breaches. In this lesson, we'll explore the different phases of the incident response lifecycle, including specific tasks and resources used in each phase. We'll also provide an example of an incident handler's checklist and its major steps. Furthermore, we'll discuss some insights and best practices for incident handling, such as planning for incident coordination with external parties, sharing information throughout the response process, and considering the benefits and drawbacks of sharing sensitive information. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a better understanding of the incident response lifecycle and how it can help your organization effectively identify assets and resolve incidents in a timely and organized manner. Lesson 5, Psychological Traps of Investigations, is designed to provide students with an understanding of the various biases and cognitive traps that can influence the decision-making process in investigations. Throughout this lesson, students will explore the concept of schema, bias, and cognitive bias, and learn how they can affect an investigator's ability to gather and interpret information accurately. The lesson will also examine the potential consequences of confirmation bias, a common psychological trap in investigations. Students will gain an understanding of the factors that can increase the risk of confirmation bias, such as narrow thinking and narrow framing. This lesson will provide students with strategies for avoiding these psychological traps, including the use of hypotheses, seeking diverse perspectives, and regularly challenging their own thinking. Overall, this lesson is designed to equip students with the knowledge and skills necessary to ensure that the investigations are thorough and objective, and based on solid evidence and logical reasoning. In Lesson 6, Evidence Collection and Processing, students will learn the fundamental principles and best practices for collecting and handling digital evidence. We will cover the 6 phases of digital forensics, from identifying potential evidence to reporting our findings. You will learn how to ensure the integrity of evidence and maintain a proper chain of custody, as well as how to store and organize evidence in a way that is admissible in legal proceedings. By the end of this lesson, you will have a strong understanding of the process and tools needed to effectively collect and process digital evidence in a legal and ethical manner. Lesson 7, Volatile Memory Acquisition, is a practical step-by-step training that will guide the students through the process of collecting data stored in a device's memory, RAM, also known as creating a memory dump. This session covers techniques for effectively acquiring volatile memory data across multiple platforms, including Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. By the end of this lesson, you will have a clear understanding of the crucial considerations for securing volatile memory as evidence, and be proficient in the necessary tasks. Lesson 8, Storage Media Forensics Acquisition, a Data Acquisition Guide. This lesson specifically provides a step-by-step guide on storage media acquisition. You will learn about the essential steps required for acquiring and securing storage media as evidence, ensuring evidence integrity and chain of custody, making it admissible in a court of law. You will also learn the difference between live and cold data acquisition and the important considerations for each. Additionally, you will gain an understanding of how to acquire and secure storage media when working with Windows, Mac, and Linux devices. In Lesson 9, Report Writing Fundamentals, students will learn the fundamentals of effective report writing, including the key components of a report, how to structure and organize information, and how to ensure accuracy and objectivity. Students will also learn the importance of identifying relevant parties in the report, describing people and objects, handling corrections and additions, and how to provide comments. By the end of this lesson, students will have a solid understanding of how to write effective cybersecurity reports that convey the necessary information to stakeholders in a clear and consistent manner. While mastering report writing takes time and practice, this lesson provides students with the necessary foundation to get started on their journey towards becoming a proficient report writer. Our last lesson, Lesson 10, provides a fundamental understanding of the interview process and best practices for conducting interviews in cybersecurity investigations. While interviews may not be the primary method for gathering information in cybersecurity investigations, they play a crucial role in obtaining valuable insights from witnesses and suspects. The 8-phase interview model, adapted from the Norwegian police, serves as a basis for this lesson. Effective communication is essential during interviews, as it can help establish trust and encourage open dialogue with interviewees. By the end of this lesson, students will have a solid understanding of the fundamentals of the 8-phase interview model, enabling them to approach interviews with confidence and professionalism in a cybersecurity context. This foundation will allow them to leverage interviews as a valuable tool in addressing and resolving cybersecurity incidents, alongside other essential investigative methods. Mastering the 8-phase interview model is a complex and nuanced topic that requires dedicated training and practice. With the knowledge and skills acquired in this lesson, students will be better equipped to approach interviews with the primary goal of gathering accurate and reliable information that can be used to advance the investigation. This lesson serves as a starting point for further developing skills and knowledge in conducting interviews. Continued practice and training will further enhance proficiency in this area. As we wrap up this introductory lesson, I want to thank you for embarking on this journey with us. The knowledge and skills you will acquire throughout this course will serve as an invaluable asset in your cybersecurity career. Remember, incident response is not just about technology, but also about teamwork, communication, and critical thinking. Together, we'll explore the essential components of effective incident response and prepare you to tackle real-world cybersecurity challenges with confidence. My name is Roy Borgen, and I'm the founder and CEO of ShieldTech. If you have any questions, please email us on info@shieldtech.no. Let's get started and make a positive impact on your organization's security posture.